Howdy friends, welcome to Free Range Ted. As you might have guessed, I'm Ted. And today, I bought too many eggs to fit in my refrigerator. So, let's make deviled eggs. Let's go! Start by making some hard-boiled eggs. I used Kenji Lopez Alt's technique in the video linked above. I boiled these for 10 minutes. Carefully cut all those eggs in half, then you're going to remove the yolks and put the yolks in a bowl. Nope. Ah! Okay, you have to be careful here. No pressure, well, maybe a little pressure, but you can't break the whites. You'll ruin the whole thing. Be careful. I'll put a full list of ingredients and exact measurements in the description. Let's do this. Mayonnaise, yellow mustard, fart noises, Dijon mustard, sweet pickle relish, hot sauce should be in your bag, softened butter, just a touch, some sort of paprika-based spice rub. I like this one. Salt and peppers here. Stir. Mash. Now whip it like it stole something. Oh, damn. You know what would be really, really good? Bacon fat. Now get back to whipping.
Maybe I could have just one little bite.
Damn it. Now to fill these babies, I used a piping bag. You could totally just spoon it in if you want to, but I think this is cool.
Maybe just one more taste.
Okay, clean up those egg whites and start filling. When you're done, finish them off with a little bit more of that paprika-based rub.
Maybe I could just sample one.
Yoink! I forgot just how much I love deviled eggs. They are so good. It's like the perfect snack. They're just awesome. I love them. And they're super versatile. I made a basic version today, and then in the middle of it, I was like, you know what would be good? Some bacon fat. That'd be great in it. Could have thought the same thing about maybe some jalapenos, chunks of candied bacon, top it with some of that onion bacon jam that I made. You could do a million different things with it. The point is, if you find yourself in a situation where you buy too many eggs, like I often do, then that's a great way to use them up. So give it a shot. Hope you try out this recipe. If you do, let me know. Make sure if you like what I'm doing that you're subscribing and that you are hitting that like button on those videos. That tells YouTube that you like what I do, and it'll make sure that it shares it with more people. Super helpful to me, and I appreciate that. Okay, until next time, bye-bye.